2 of 2 of the 100 fly sponsored by the Yao family. In lane 1, Shantae Chung Speeders. In lane 2, Tiara Campbell Sailfish. In lane 3, Paget Lewis Speeders. In lane 4, Emily McDonald Swimmers. In lane 5, Zaneta Alvaranga Speeders. Lane 6, Sabrina Lynn Tornadoes. Lane 7, Imani Salmon Blue Seals. In lane 8, Megan Yao Tornadoes. The record for this, 106.36, set in 1996 by Victoria Genova.
We're up on the spot.
Followed by Zaneta Alvaranga in lane 5 for Speeders.
So come on, give me a taste.